Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change theme Microsoft Outlook theme on computer. So how to change theme Microsoft Outlook theme on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Outlook on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Outlook. To change the theme in Microsoft Outlook, just go. Direct the cursor to the upper right corner of the computer screen. Here there is a settings icon. And tap. Now here it is in the settings menu. Here there are many menu options that you can use in Microsoft Outlook. Tap on the general menu. And here there are many options. Tap menu appearance. Now in this appearance menu, scroll down. Here in color there are many choices of theme colors. Choose one. And here you can also change the background of Microsoft Outlook. Many choices have been prepared. Here you can choose one. Well, you can see that the background has changed into an image. So that's it, tutorial how to change theme Microsoft Outlook theme on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.